Are you looking for the top 5 air fryer toaster oven? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 air fryer toaster oven on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven. Cooking functions. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer is equipped with air fry setting plus toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, warming feature, with a wide temperature range warm, 450 degree F. Capacity, large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. Superior operation, equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer/auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector to ensure your meals are cooked to your perfection. Includes oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, grill, and a non-stick easy clean interior to make cleanup simple. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. A versatile air fryer and multi-cooker combo elevates practically any meal, from air frying quick after-school snacks to roasting for large gatherings. Perfectly done toast. Oven turns off automatically when the toast countdown timer ends. No burnt toast. Indicator light is red while toasting, blue when timer ends and oven turns off. Place rack at indicated toast position for ideal results. 25 cooking PRE sets. Provide a variety of cooking methods: ribs, defrost, bake, toast, chicken, pizza, pastry, slow cook, roast, reheat, and keep warm. Dual speed fan. Golden fried crisping at its finest with 360 degrees superheated air circulation for your homemade cooking. 26 core capacity. This extra large 26 core capacity countertop toaster is suitable for preparing food for 4 to 6 people with capacity to rotisserie a 6-pound chicken, bake a 12-inch pizza. Stainless steel exterior. A stainless steel exterior provides a beautiful aesthetic to any kitchen, taking your party hosting to the next level. An elegant French door is open with a single pull. Interior light allows you to monitor food. Number 3. NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. Make adjustments on the fly. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Starting the cooking process over is not necessary. Bravo Toaster Oven's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Control not only the time and temperature, but also customize the top and bottom heaters. To bake a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters at full power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. Integrated digital temperature probe. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. You will never undercook or overcook your food again. 112 presets and conveniences built in. Bravo Air Fryer has 4 different rack positions, and its programming includes 12 preset cooking functions for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. It also has additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets in addition to 50 slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven Prestige Smart XL Countertop Oven. Smart Surround Convection. High velocity fan and rear heat source completely surrounding food for all-around crisp. 2-level even cooking. Even cooking on 2 levels with no rotation, flipping, or shaking. 10-in-1 functionality. Includes 10 versatile cooking programs. Air fry, air roast, broil, bake, whole roast pizza. Toast, bagel, reheat, dehydrate. XL family size capacity. Fits up to 2 9x9 baking trays. Bakes up to 20 cookies. Fit and cook 9 slices of toast or 9 bagel halves on a rack. Fits up to 12 pounds. Turkey and allows for up to 8 pounds. Air fry capacity. Quick family meals. 90-second oven preheat time and up to 30% faster cooking versus a full-size convection oven. Prestige design. Superior performance with elegant style that fits in any home. Air fry healthy meals. up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Number 5. NuWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill Combo. 142 Easy Cook presets. The Bravo Toaster Oven countertop is equipped with 12 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, toast, grill, bake, roast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more. It also boasts 100 one-touch presets for effortless cooking and 30 memory slots to save your own unique recipes. It fully meets all your daily needs, making it the perfect replacement for main oven. 3x faster, 35% air crispier. The 2025 newly designed and engineered fan and housing deliver 100% faster speeds. Paired with 1800W high power, it results in significantly faster cooking and irresistibly crispy, golden brown finishes. Compared to traditional deep frying or air frying, NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Oven reduces oil by 95%, 2x more even. This air fryer toaster oven utilizes the latest 2025 upgraded ultra-fast convection system, combined with top and bottom heating elements, virtually eliminating temperature variations even when cooking on multiple racks. Compared to other brands, NuWave offers twice the uniformity and efficiency, save you both time and energy.